Hey guys, this is Angelton here, another reaction video. So we're going to be reacting to Gmall 10, Vending Machine Apocalypse. So, try something crazy in this. I'm wearing headphones. I'm still here. Oh, goodness. I'll take one. Sorry. I'm still hearing. This guy sounds like it kind of sounds like that desert music from Super Mario 3D Land. I heard this before, except it was a different note. Why is he in the desert?
Hi guys.
Hi.
It's me, Ethan B0206.
Hi.
Gmall 4. I am outside in the middle of a desert with nothing else, and yeah, this is all I have. My physics gun. I'm really surrounded by nothing at all. I'm really tired, you guys. So we're just gonna go find the comfiest place. Actually, I can spot a mattress. Hang on a second.
Why do you need a mattress?
There we go.
What are you, Aladdin?
Alright, that should be good from now on. We gotta just set you up straight. I got a mattress with me. Alright, how should I put this? Like, right here. I think right here is good. Yeah, I'm just gonna go take a nap now, so. I'll take a nap and find my way out of this desert, so.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, good night, you guys. I hope I don't have any bad dreams.
Oh, you need a mattress to sleep, really? Nappy. Wait, what?
Nappy. Well, guys. Oh man, I just had a dream that there was a vending machine apocalypse. I know that's never gonna happen. Oh my gosh, how did I get here? Well,
did you miss me?
Anyway, so give me my water. Give me my
water.
Give me my water. Give me my water. Give me my water. Wait a minute, something doesn't smell right. What the heck's going on? Hang on, let me just take a quick check. Alright, what the heck?
Another vending machine?
What's this? Another vending? Another vending machine? What?
Guess who's back?
What? Where are these machines coming from? Well, screw that.
Oh!
That was terrible. There's a whole trail of vending machines.
Did you miss
Where
us?
Are they leading to?
Vending machines revenge.
What the heck is this?
Oh my god.
The entire desert is covered with vending machines.
That's crazy.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. What are you gonna do?
You gonna pray for hurting our brother.
Stupid vending machines.
Our two brothers you hurt.
Just like get rid of all I think with my physics gun.
I don't think you can.
How do you get rid of all these things? Seriously, guys, this is the most nightmarish thing I've ever seen in my life.
I don't even think
that wasn't nightmare at all. Alright, calm down. What are you gonna do?
Just run away.
I think I know. I'm gonna slap them.
You're not gonna like it though, I don't think.
Yeah, give him my voice, stupid vending machine.
That's not gonna. Not this time. Ow! Not this time.
Give me my water. Give me all of your water.
No.
Water.
No. Ow. Ow.
Oh, I know you do all right.
By the music, I don't think it's gonna turn out well.
Water, come here. This is happening. This is happening.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. There's gotta be so many vending machines. I don't think they're gonna be happy. Ow, 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 ow. 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 I am the king of vending machines.
Who the heck are you? I am King Soda.
King Soda?
King Soda?
Really?
Oh, crud muffins. You mean like the one who watches all over the sodas? Yep, that's correct. Oh, crud muffins. I really want my water. Oh, you'll never get your water, because I am the king of sodas. And wait a second, how can you fly? It's because I got flying powers? Oh, yeah, true.
Really?
Seriously, what do you want from me? Why are you torturing me with all this slapping vending machine thing? Oh, I just wanted you to rage. Wait, what? Yeah, I wanted you to rage all this time.
Really?
Here, back then, when you were making the very first Gmall episode, all you wanted was some water. Well, I summoned a lot of some vending machines, my minions, aka my minions,
Really?
to not give me my water? Yes, exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
all you wanted was the water. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll never give you water.
Uh-oh.
Unless it's my outfit. Wait, what? Oh, no, hey,
no.
kid, no, don't. Give me my water. Do it.
Oh. Oh.
Ow,
Oh.
kid, stop it, ow.
Oh, you're the ass. Okay, never mind.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. You're Hardy the king of soda. Oh my gosh.
Jeez, kid, I'll give you a water. Just hang on. There you go. You happy now? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
He's happy.
Yeah. There, you happy now? Yes I am. Now I'm feeling much better. I don't need that thing anymore. Yeah, I'm sure you do. Nah, I really don't need it. I think I'll survive this place. Yeah, I hope you do. What? Hey, listen, King. I'm really sorry I've been slapping your vending machines. Because I really wanted my water really badly. Don't be. It's
Really?
actually not your fault. It's actually my fault. Because I was the one who did all this, and I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Oh.
That's okay. You know what? I think I'll get rid of myself and the vending machine, so yeah. But I'll keep the one that was sleeping right next to you when you woke up, so yeah. So, well, hope you have a good time, so I'll see you later. Oh, okay. See you later, King. Alrighty. Alright, minions, it's time to go. Goodbye, Ethan B0206, and happy soda hunting. Or water hunting. Yeah, thanks.
Really?
Alright, I'm going. Goodbye.
Wait.
Well, then. All the vending machines are gone, but I still might slap a few to get me my water.
Really?
I don't need this mattress anymore, so... There we go. So... Hang on, let me bring my camera down. There, come on, buddy. Come on down. Okay, well, that was a kind of a terrifying thing, so...
That wasn't too
thank
terrifying.
you guys so much for watching this apocalypse of vending machines.
You're welcome.
Because that's what it is, vending machine apocalypse. Yeah. So, more Gmalls will be coming up soon. Next
Cool.
time, I'm being hired at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza in the next episode.
Friday
So,
Freddy's confirmed?
yeah. Might come up in a few weeks, so, yeah. So, I'm gonna get my way out of here, so, yeah.
Okay.
Until next time, see you, alligator. And a
Bye.
while as, desert dial, because I'm in the desert. Alright, see ya.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
And going home.
The end. Cool. That was pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to subscribe to EthanBO206 because he made the video, so I'm giving him the credit. So, yeah. Bye, guys.